Yo, mic check. Yo, I like this shit. Flip it, whip it, twist it round. Leave you bouncing up and down to the sound. Right now slips, man, she is fit, needing it. Staring with her eyebrows like she wants it right now. In the lounge, on the couch, on the floor, I'll make her crouch, moaning while she pouts. Leave it in, don't take it out. Got me feeling proud, screaming loud, hearts pound. Jizzing in her mouth, she spits it out. Smoke some weed and blow some clouds. Doggy style, how? Ooh, bitch. In her throat gets sick, bitch that wants a fix. Pornographic flicks, sending dirty pics. Bottle head a lick, she's not fat but she is thick. And she's out to find some dick. Lunatic who likes it quick, dirty like a pig. She's covered in milk, give her a gun, now she's covered in silk. Get inside, have some pills, this is a thrill. That's how we chill, girls like this leave you paying some bills. She knows the drill, she knows the will. Even her panties are left with a spill. Yo, check, yo, creamed it. Magazine shit, you should have seen this. Pornographic scene shit. I was 18 then, out of 10, man, she's a 10. Soon as we get in, she bends. Sexual sense, living our life on the edge, living for sex. Burning fire, she wants to put it out. We feel a rush while she's kissing on my mouth. I feel proud when it's me and her in town. We turning heads with our souls in the sound. Burning fire, she wants to put it out. We feel a rush while she's kissing on my mouth. I feel proud when it's me and her in town. We turning heads with our soul in the sound. She dresses so revealing, heavy breathing. She wants it, she's not teasing. She's touching me with meaning. Her soul creates this feeling. She turns around, she's kneeling, relieving what I'm seeing. It's like I'm dreaming. Sniffing and spliffing is our decision, our religion. And I'm winning, I'm drinking and my head is spinning. I keep sinning, I'm feeling naughty, now I'm grinning. Going crackers, I'm a gangster, a rapper. My tracks are bangers, spend like gamblers. Make sure all my girls are pampered. Flicking through clothes on hangers, I leave her with glamour. I smack that ass, I tan her. That's just using manners, I'm grabbing the one that's fatter. I bait her like batter, the sex and smoking after what I gather. Hip-hop is my grammar, I smash it like hammers. Smash it like heavy metal slammers. I'm the shit, that is it, she's liking this. Getting down with this, almost touch the ground with this. I insist, please get pissed. Light a spliff, please get lit. Armpit, slide boob, see her tit. Offer these nuts to these sluts with nice butts and teacups. Jumped in the shower, we were so high, we stayed for hours. She's so pretty like some flowers, high on top of towers. Burning fire, she wants to put it out. We feel a rush while she's kissing on my mouth. I feel proud when it's me and her in town. We turning heads with our souls in the sound. Burning fire, she wants to put it out. We feel a rush while she's kissing on my mouth. I feel proud when it's me and her in town. We turning heads with our souls in the sound. I'm a hippie like my pelvis, but I'm rocking like I'm Elvis. She cares for me, not selfish. These feelings leave me helpless. She holds me where my mouth is. I'm addicted, I can't help it. It's harder like I'm melting. Pretend I'm strong, but it's not helping. She leaves me melting. Pretty smile, pretty style. It's been a while, which left her feeling wild. I'd walk her down the aisle, give her a child. We'd leave some spills on the tiles. I wanna save her, she's not flicking through files. It's just my number, she dials. I love my lifestyle, cause she gives my lifestyle. Bitch, she can sit on my dick, kiss my lips. Do it like this, do it like that. Bitch, do it like this, do it like that.